Hello, the topic today is an advanced messages setup. And we're under contacts, and we're under the contacts chat view where we normally can send and receive texts and emails. But we also have a section under here called send text action, and we've shown in some other videos how we can send a credit application link and have the customer update this credit application inside this contact record. We also have a video on sharing a payment calculator, which is like sharing a payment plan. And we have some other specialty actions. Well, what if you wanted the customer to fill out a form at a different website, maybe another company's, such as a credit application for a company that was taking in your leads and calling those customers back. So there's from time to time, there's some needs to be able to send very quickly a consistent link for this customer, for another customer to fill out. So where do we manage those at? And I'm going to show you under the sales branch. If I go to tools, and you have to have the right security privileges to go here to tools, and we're going to go to this sales branches, and the setting is by sales branch, so you can set up different ones for different sales branches. And this is where we set up our default settings for the sales branch. And I'm going to go to this tab called messaging. Okay, and so under here we can set a default company logo, and that's the logo that actually goes with every text that goes out the door. We can also set what our opt-out message is for all of our texts and emails, and for what they can put in and what the customer is going to see. And then we have this little listing of links, and they look a little funny. So you can definitely open a help desk ticket if this doesn't make sense. But for instance, if I wanted to put in a customized credit application link to a third party, I would literally put in that new link right here. But I would also go ahead and open up a help desk support ticket and just advise them that you've done that, so that we can make sure that when they do send it, it's going to go out correctly. But this is where we actually set up some links for the payment calculator, for the credit application link, and then we can also determine who is notified of sales branch notifications from here. So it's a little bit advanced section, but just want to make you aware that under a particular contact, you can actually, under their chat view, we can send out customized text actions with customized links that they can go to, just with a very small amount of setup. Hopefully this helps, but just remember you always have this help desk option here. You can always open a trouble ticket here. You also have a chat bot over here in the corner where you can use at any time to get more information. Thank you so much.